Welcome to Dan Eyaji YouTube. Collins Imudia Foundation surprise visit to Happiness and her mother. Enjoy the video.
Yes, a very beautiful afternoon to everybody out there. I remain yours truly, Collins Imudia. It's a beautiful Wednesday evening out here. And we've been super busy. We have been super busy trying to fix one or two, yeah. I haven't done that. We decided to check up on that widow's daughter we set up a business for. We want to see if she's at her place of work as expected, or perhaps she didn't do it. Let's get to find out. I would have visited the mom already to check up on her before going, but I want to start from where the daughter is. She had called me 3 days ago to tell me that she's gotten a place to do the business according to her, you know, but I didn't have the time to check up on her, so I just want to go do that right now. Good afternoon, everybody. I'm seeing all your comments. I'm very fine, thank you, all of you. Yeah, good afternoon. Please share this video. Let's get our guys connected. Yeah, so we're moving. Let's get to find out if the lady actually got registered and she's learning the skill. Perhaps if we get to visit her unexpectedly like this, she might take her job seriously, knowing fully well that we always come unannounced. That's one. Two, unlike the other lady we went to give money to start business, and when we're driving along the road, we then found her picking water bottles empty. We want to see if this is a repeated case, you know. So let's get to find out if this is a repeated case or if they are upright and doing, you know. So all right, Kelly JP, you present for class today. I'm seeing you. I'm seeing all of you. I'm pretending not to. Rita Johnson. And oh, please go to my WhatsApp group and inform them that I'm live, okay? So they can all join us. We're not going to be long on the live video. We just want to go on inspection, and it's fair enough for somebody like Mr. Paul, who actually sponsored that lady's skill acquisition program, to be very well informed if she's doing what she was mobilized to do or not. You get? So we're here. You understand? We're here. We're shooting. We're still on the way. This is third. I think she said she's learning it at third. We're at a Kyosa. And then we're leaving a Kyosa. Perhaps it could be inside here. Or perhaps this other place. But let's get to find out. Yeah. So it won't be. It's a very sensitive thing, but we'd have to do this on our own. Hello, is there a tailoring shop inside Gossip Palace? Tailoring. Is there a tailoring shop there? Where is it?
After that clothes shop, the next one.
Yeah. Oh. Let's get to see. How are you? Okay. Is this a tailoring shop inside Gossip Palace? I'm looking for Happiness. Where's your mom? Okay. Perhaps it's not this shop. Maybe we'll look for the next one. Inside. Just a minute. Just a minute. Good evening, ma. Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Tailoring shop there inside here. Okay. Tailoring shop there inside. Somebody said tailoring shop inside Gossip Palace. Where? That's that place. Yes. There's a tailoring shop there.
Yes. No, like this, you know, yeah. Now the stop this shop, but it's supposed to be there. The month I stop, and then it is.
Okay, just a minute. Would just would make a phone call and find out. I'm in your area, no wahala. Your area is where we set up the business. Hello? We are at Gossip Palace and we cannot find you. Where are you? Inside the Gossip Palace. Can you come outside if you are at work? Is it not Gossip Palace? Wow. But they said this is Gossip Palace, right? So somebody say inside Gossip Palace, what would you go and look for? I think I'd rather carry my car. There's no need to be walking down there. I think she came to work, so the girl is upright and she's straightforward. So we'll just visit her and see for ourselves. So just in case Mr. Paul is watching us, he'll get to know that she's actually working. Because she had called me 3 days ago and said she's going to pay. But I just want to be sure. See her. We would see her now. How are you? So you came to work. We wanted to be sure that you are working. We thought you have carried our money and you ran away. No. So we said we'll come and check you out. Good afternoon, madam. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. She told us she's with her madam inside Gossip Palace. Is this inside Gossip Palace? Why did she not say inside Gossip Palace?
This street is Gossip Palace.
Road. Gossip Palace Road.
Okay, she made mistake.
She now said inside Gossip Palace.
Good afternoon.
We say we can check whether she really can learn work for your hand. Not true. She's your girl now. Not be saying my girl. She's my girl now. You add now.
Okay, she's my girl now.
Okay. How are you? You're fine. Good. Just say let's come and check you and show. So that she'll be coming to work. Madam, no worry, not below you the flog and when she not come, we'll help you to monitor her. Make sure for put eye for the work. You know? So that's it from my angle. Ladies and gentlemen, I think Mr. Paul, you can see that Happiness actually went to work. You know, she came to work and then the lady's learning. The madam just testified that it's her madam. So we'll be checking her time to time. You understand? Time to time we'll be checking her out. We just thought it was that we should see her. So that's it from our angle. I think this has gone a long way to prove to a lot of people that yes, she's upright and wants to work. Unlike the other one that took our money and ran away. This one wants to work. You get so. Let's say we can't learn work. They wear tape for neck. Why you gonna look like who want carry material?
I got to spend tape.
No, they have drama for this one. No. We will see you when you are working. We'll be sure. You dress past now. You can be madam.
No, what's if they want to be that cool?
Even your madam not dressed like you.
No, she dresses like she a combo.
No problem. We'll be checking you time to time. Take care. Yeah, that's for me from our angle here. I think Happiness have started work. You know, so Happiness have started work. This is a +1 for us. I'm gonna waste more time. Let's just do the needful. How are you? How are you? Agbe slippers, yeah? Don't put your bare feet. No, that's okay, ma'am. I did on my video, yeah? That's okay. We just want to see how you are doing.
Daddy,
The business you're every year.
Daddy, yeah.
I believe you. I believe you. You know, it's nice. You're trying. You're doing well. She has rice. She sells beans. There's noodles, tissues. Let's get to go around. Perhaps. Let's see. My second happiness in our winner. My wife. How are you? Where's your brother? Yeah, she's doing well. We got her all these stuff, yeah. You can see. She's trying, she's doing well. You know. That's okay. And then a fridge man. Why? Back on it to come in socket, right? Electrical fault. Madam, there's nothing like my amigo. This is too. Listen, ma. Can you listen, ma? Listen, ma. Listen, ma. Just listen, ma. There are some things now in public. You are in public now, okay? I'm not saying now when you go, ma. I have to advise you, okay? You are in public, eh? You are in public. The whole of people look at you. Listen, ma. Listen, ma. I'm a very sensitive person. You understand? I will know, man. No. Okay, for instance, there's one widow, Mudiama. There's a widow we saw in TED. Yeah? Man, now they 10,000 naira some months ago. Eh? Man, I was using and do business. After 3 months. The woman stopped me. Bros, you don't know me again. I went no. Or when I may be that widow, you give 10,000 for business that time. I don't use and include my business. Can't see. Oh, man, no, yeah, there. Instantly, 2 people now, go give her 20, go give her 10. May improve. So we're not even me over 100, over 200,000 if I may calculate. If not, outside the chairs. You cannot come and tell me that electrical fault. That's very wrong. I don't like that. No, it's okay. I just want you to get that clear. Anyone make it very clear. But the fridge, we will come and see it working. You make us happy. Let's the electrician tomorrow to do that, please. And put the fridge there. You say fridge in and winner. So what are you using it for then? Yes, man, right? Yes. This fridge ought to live here. Let our fridge be here. So that you be all the drinks, then the other twins. I'm having your fridge. How would you not be selling cold mineral? No, ma, it's supposed to be here. Remove this from here. Bring our fridge. Remove this, your old stabilizer that's not working. Put our new one. You have the socket there already. Please, ma. Please, ma. So that's just it, eh? No need for inside. If I've seen this already, I believe you should carry the fridge and put. If not, now. These same people who supported you are the ones calling to say, have you checked that person? We sure say they use what we buy. The person will be so impressed when he sees saying in fridge and they light so.
No, okay, sister, too big. Why could the son? Why could he live? You mean I took out and I have your lily? Where come out from me, daddy?
I'm only telling you what the people will say. Very soon, the people who bought fridge will say, hey, this will not be the fridge where we buy. Not see another fridge like on did. And that time it will look as if maybe Mama Munwe. No. Let's see the fridge in your room. So that people will not think we bought fridge for you and took it back off camera. Let's be, there's nothing too much for people to reason. So let's just be sure that it's still here. You understand? Eh? Let's just see the fridge. Open it. See, the fridge is still here. Fine chairs. Please open this window now. Why here? Okay, no problem. See how beautiful these chairs look. Everything is inside. This kind of place, man. Okay, no waste to any. I be to am where we are besto.
To am me I will store. I will do in the daddy. Mo are store. Nya my way. No wa we say. Okay. My baby, you just go move am. Me agbe me let us go with daddy. Azopo we be na.
No, mama, na agbeba just to be sure that the people who are supporting us get to see that okay, what they are bought are working. And the fridge is very cold. And your drinks are there. That's okay. Mr. Paul, thank you. The chairs are beautiful. Mr. Paul, thank you for this. So, to a large extent, we decided to come and check her out, and then we've done the needful. You understand? So that's what we came to do. We just came to check her out, and then it's okay like this, yeah. So for me, I'm a very blunt person, and I'm very diplomatic. I don't see white and call it blue for any form of favor. I don't do that. I forbid it. Because who God wants to bless, God will bless. You don't understand? So if somebody does something to make me cool, I'll just be smiling and happy. If somebody gets to... Yes, ma. God bless you, ma. People must get to understand. Let me clear the air first. People must get to understand that we are a very responsible foundation. We don't act dramas. We don't do propaganda. We don't do propaganda. Our war, I forbid it. An avenue where we come, bless you with fridge, bless you with chairs, bless you with your child's enrollment whatsoever, took you to the market, make sure you go shopping to set up your business. And the first time you were grateful, God bless the people. Second time, and then we are now beginning to understand that each time you see us with a camera before you, you want to make it look as if there's something you need. That's a wrong way of operation. For me, I don't function that way. That every little time camera faces you, you tell us, hey, mommy, that's a very silly thing for me. I don't cope with it. I don't like it. You understand? So, but I'll just pass. I have my reservations as per that, but I'll pass because there are a lot of people in Edo State we need to help. We cannot be tied to one person. We were at Eritio's place some time ago, right? Where are we today? This widow. You understand? Tomorrow we will be at another person's place. So gradually we'll be making Benin City and Edo State a better place. Nigeria at large. I was telling myself soon, may God let plane start working, all this plane. I'll go on vacation. I might even go to Lagos. I might go to Abuja, for instance. I will do food giveaway in that state. I don't need to be in Benin. I will just get to Abuja or be in a hotel, or get to Lagos, be in a hotel, and I'll just go buy noodles, go buy some food items maybe, and I'll just speak to one or two cab drivers, take me around. Please, let's go to an area to share. We will just share, bless the people around there. That's how a foundation works. I don't need to solicit for support to do anything at a point in time. I can do it. If people see what I'm doing as nice and they key into it, God bless all of us together. You understand? So Nigeria at large is my focus, and not only Benin City. Because as I'm talking to you, one of my major supporter of Collins Imudia Foundation is a Yoruba woman, Mama Yemalia, one of Amsterdam. A Yoruba woman. She has never seen me eyeball to eyeball. I'm a Benin boy. She has never seen me, as in we never talk. That woman has impacted in the lives of people in Benin. She is not from Benin. So if Collins Imudia is operating in Benin, it will be out of place for us to do food distribution in Ondo. It won't be out of place to do food distribution in Lagos. What we want to do is to make sure we reduce the rate of poverty in Nigeria at large. But for a start, let's maintain our status quo. You understand? We don't need to be, I don't need to ask of your tribe before we help you. Collins Imudia Foundation does not need your tribe, does not need your origin. We don't need your birth certificate. We don't need your local government or area. We just come, we just bless you. We just bless you and believe you're good. You understand? So that's how we operate as a foundation. I'm coming to make a passionate appeal just now to some of us because I made a speech some days ago and it generated a lot of people gave me their own view, their own experiences, and I understand. I understand. To a very large extent, I understand. I don't lie, you understand. So please, for all of us who are doing this together as Collins Imudia Foundation, I'm appealing to you all. I'm not seeing your daughter again. No, I'm gonna stop. Christiana Buckley, leave me alone. Your daughter says she wants to sell Usi. Usi. QC. Usi business. Usi will not see. Banga will not see. Only for us to see your daughter Daniel do college the pick ever water empty bottle. I know that part is sweet Christiana Brooklyn. Now I can verify my talk I mean for laugh. QC, don't worry. I'll text your number to your daughter so that you can come and do see business with her. Tracy Sonia, how are you today? Let's check Mama Favor out and see what she's doing. We asked her what she wants to do. At first, Mama Favor told us she's going to do what's it called? Now she wants to do cold drinks sales business. She wants to be selling cold drinks, yeah. And then later she called me again. She wants to do weave-on business. Later again she called me. She wants to do palm wine and pepper soup business. Just when I was thinking of when to go and take my 1 cup of fresh palm wine and a goat leg, Mama Favor called me again. Now she now wants to be doing, what is it she wants to be doing? Nyam and uwo. Which business? Potato and beans, have you? Fried potato and beans. Madam Go, don't laugh. Don't go laugh, cut your gold, though. Just when I was hoping to go to the place to take my sweet palm wine from Mama Favor's place, she called and said that she now wants to do not owo and yam. She said fried potato and beans. And I said, wow. So being an industrious lady who's been specialized in abacha sales, she would have had the experience of frying or cooking. So but let's get to see what she's doing. We're not far from her anymore. We're here. We would approach her soon. So that we'll get to see the needful. You know, so I get to like some of my clients because the way they read, it's fun for me, it makes me smile. Perhaps when we get there today now, we might ask her to give us, for practical sake, so you don't say she doesn't know how to cook. It's not as if we want to eat it too, but because we want to be sure, that the food is sweet, we might just taste, not as if we want to eat it. We are not hungry, but we might just taste for you. You know, so you get to know that as a foundation, we don't carry ourselves as if maybe we own the world. No, God owns this world. Pride is inbuilt. It comes before you fall. So when you know, you should stay far away from it. So we won't say because of pride we will not eat, except for the fact that we are full already. You know, for the likes of that widow that we just left now, who happened to have given us roasted rodents, you know, for the purpose of breaking down of good English, a roasted rodent that she appreciated us with in Benin language is called Ofionto. You know, so but Ofionto in Benin can be translated in pidgin English to a rabbit, to a layman, a roasted rabbit. But for academians like us who are well read to an extent, you know, it's a roasted rodent. She appreciated us with that, and out of good sense of belonging as humans, we appreciated her and carried the roasted rodent of Yonto in Benin language, and we left, and I was looking for who to assist, only for a crew member of mine by name Community seized the Ofionto. You know, my crew and I are having a swell time because my crew member came in and said, "Bros, have fun with a rabbit." And I said it was kidnapped by our crew member Community, who decided to make Panadiam and Egusi with the Ofionto. So God bless him so much. He couldn't even come to work today because he is overfed. And that's my crew member who wanted the Ofionto, you know. But funny enough, but let's leave it like that. It's cool. Ofionto is an essential commodity. You know, so but it's a nice time out. You know, we're already close to Mama Favor. A very warm good evening to General Elvis. God bless you. I sight you in the course of our interaction. I spot you diving. God bless you. I trust you be at work. Oh, God bless you, bro. I appreciate you. Collins Emudia Foundation is your foundation any day, anytime, and you know what it is. You know, so but back to back, the roasted rodent was apprehended and consumed by just one man who seized it, thinking he's the only one who is the son of the soil. I wish I wish he would be here tomorrow. The men are laughing with backache already. You know? So you see? You understand? So the once he is done eating the rabbit today, he will resume tomorrow. And we will bring him to you for him to explain to you the reason why he personally dealt with the full Ofionto. No, it's okay, it's okay. So, but give and take, let's approach Mama Favor. We're around her house, her street. You know, so let's just get in. Hey, Rita Otamre, you're laughing and crying. Please don't cry. For those asking, where is that your son? I used to introduce him and say, that's my good son. You know, because I gave him that nickname, he decided to eat the roasted rodent all alone, believing that it belongs to his father. But it's okay. It's okay. It's understood. Anything my son eats, I ate it, so it's okay. Let him keep eating the future part of this foundation and let me maintain let me maintain okay. Let's yeah, I see all of you laughing. I see Sandy Jose, Sharon Solomon, Lady Blue Blinks, Osan Sunday, everybody. Point me now, my son. Now I can eat the rodent part of the foundation. It's okay, no problem. We will maintain the other part. We are only hoping that we don't get to help somebody someday who would give us a roasted papawanga. I don't know what papawanga is. I think General Elvis should help me out here if he's not too busy. A papawanga should be, I don't know what they call it in Benin. I think papawanga is a crocodile or something, right? Please, all our Benin people, where's Madam Good? Papawanga, what's the English name for a papawanga? Please, somebody should help me out. General Elvis, maybe. A papawanga. What's a papawanga? Papawanga is I think it's a crocodile. I think papawanga is a crocodile. Where are all my Benin people now? Olivia, go, stop laughing. Tell me. Let's do this together, please. No, Kelly JP, what is a papawanga? I want to know. How can papawanga be scorpion? It be like, oh, I think papawanga is a scorpion. In Benin, what is a papawanga? A scorpion. Okay, don't nonsense. It's not scorpion. So roasted scorpion. No, I didn't mean that part of the papawanga. I wanted a proper. Madam Gold, what is a papawanga? Christiana Brooklyn said it's a lizard. Lizard is called Osikpalo. We should start a do class, but that will not be live video. We just do a do class, Mama Favor have not started this business, so I'm still here. Is it that Mama Favor has parked? No, Mama Favor cannot park.
But you don't carry a table.
I don't see table there. Mama Favor is nowhere to be found. The table they do, they not do there again. Let's get to find out if Mama Favor is. Let's see Mama Favor already around our area. So for those papawanga issue be discussed another time, but for now let's get a bit. Can somebody just help me check her out at home? Check if she's home. Say she's there house. Okay, let me see her. BC, I'm coming, please. I'm coming. Just a minute. Just a minute. So let's see her. Yeah, let's see her. Let's see. Okay, all of you forget the papawanga ship. We will come back to papawanga issue later. Let's see Mama Favor and find out why she has not started. Excuse me. What's she doing? Pineapples. This is Mama Favor. How are you? Everybody's asking after you.
Good afternoon.
I saw pineapples. I'm seeing oranges. I'm seeing banana.
And he was sleeping. Yes.
Apples. But this was not the business I gave you money for.
Yes. That place that my landlady said I will give me. So later the son now feels that it's the MTN people.
Yes.
They want to offload something that their train is stopping me. I should not do anything. They are they are located the place and that's That's where I take the table.
You took the table and the chair that you said you want to use to cook, to be doing potato and beans business. Are you still going to do that business?
Yes, but in that area, someone is doing it.
Why did you not confront me again that gave you the money?
I'm very sorry for that. I don't.
This is a perishable good business. If they don't buy, these whole things will spoil.
I did have to do it. If they say for this banana now, if you did not sell it today, you will not slice it to be full salad. Inside, you package it inside container.
If the banana,
as it is now, if I bought it in the amount in a day when I bought it is 10 bunch and I have sold 6, it will be 4.
Oh yeah.
For if it passes today, I will not say tomorrow. I will slice this to be full salad.
oh yeah, this your abacha experience is helping you out. I'm very sure. Favor, your mommy got her PhD from abacha sales, and she's doing her internship with the sales of fruits. Okay, to a large extent, we didn't tell you we were coming. So this goes to show that you are very serious minded. It shows that you have an IQ and you want to do something. Okay, where do you say the place will be? That Bouvet Junction? Yes. Okay, time to time we'll drive and check on you. We'll decide to come and check up on you. That's why we came.
Thank you very much.
Favor, baby.
For your efforts on me, may God bless you all.
Amen.
May God bless you all.
Amen.
I don't know where to start. I'm thanking you. All I know is may God bless you.
Amen.
And I pray that whoever that look for your downfall will fall for your sake.
Amen.
The Bible says, he that diggeth a pit shall fall into it. Every pit that enemy has dig before you, the enemy will fall into it by himself.
Amen.
Thank you very
Nice
much.
one. Mama Favor has started a fruit sales business. You know, apples, pineapples with oranges. You know, so but it's okay, it's okay. Your sister don't seem to live here anymore. Okay, that's alright, that's understood. That's nice. That's it from this angle. As you can see for yourself, she's the serious-minded person. Christiana Buckley, and I'm proud to have made. I think you don't shame. You say she don't run and carry my husband in front. I thank God you cannot see that she's there. Yeah. So the truth is that where she wanted to sell it is here. She wanted to sell it here, this spot, yeah. But because there's an MTN mast, they said the people will not allow her erect it here. You get, so that's why she now moved to go and do that sales business. You understand? So just so you know, I think she's done a nice one anyways. That's okay from this angle. Done the needful, yeah. We've done the needful. I think now the remaining part is just a brief one. Very brief one. Lovett Leach, aside to you, good afternoon. A very brief one. And this one is a passionate appeal. This one is from Collins Emudia to you. This one now just me. I want to make a passionate appeal. Please. Sometimes, some days ago, I came and I begged and spoke to you all. I just came out that day to speak as a motivational speaker, and I told you all that you should please feed your families at home. Send them money once a month, your mom, your dad, your brothers and sisters. After that video, I got some calls. Some people spoke their mind and told me, Collins, thank you for what you said. It made sense to me. A lot of them now said, see the reasons why, see reasons why. I want to appeal to you in diaspora. If you are in Lagos, you are in Abuja, you are in Ondo, any part of Nigeria you are, across the world, in diaspora, if your father or mother had offended you before, please forgive them. I'm appealing to you. It's a passionate appeal I'm making. Some of you sent money to your mother. Say, help me build house. Some of you sent money to your father. Daddy, help me to build house. Some of you sent money to your brothers. They help me build house. You don't buy land. Where you don't day now? You go tell you saying don't day. They don't finish roof himself. At the end of the day, when you come, land you know see. As you go back, you vow that till you die, you know, will ever assist any one of your family again. Collins Emudia is saying, please forgive them. Even the properties you're talking about now, one day you will sleep, you don't wake up, you don't leave and go. It's not worth a long time enmity. They pay no. Even me, maybe if they do me, maybe I feel do worse than you. I know. But I'm appealing to you, please. I don't say no easy to forgive or this kind of thing, but I'm appealing, please forgive them. All of you have said, help me build us. It's some even help me buy car. I don't. Or some of you even push cars come. Some of them go they send money they come. Say help me they keep on that account too. You help you keep on. You go even help you they calculate at the end. Like how much you don't even get. You go say sister the money where your account and I about 16.5 million for your mind for Europe. You say you don't do okay. Might just go house. Might just still go enjoy myself. When you reach out, you come and say you were lucky that you get return ticket. I understand. Collins Emudia is saying, please forgive them. I beg. I know it's not easy. It's not easy. Please. Why I'm begging you is because I want you and I to help reduce the rate of poverty. If you take care of your family, you don't want to take care of your family, that's more work me you can't get to do. as much as I want to go out and be helping people every day, please forgive them, I beg. Because if I put this phone line on now, I say, please, the phone line is on, call us and let them speak your mind. Bro, by the time 2 callers make call just now, the rest people will say, caller, you have spoken our mind. So I'm appealing on their behalf. I don't know if your father ate your money. I don't know if your mother ate your money. I don't know if your brother ate your money or your sister. But Collins Emudia Foundation is saying, please forgive them. Forgive them with sense. The sense there is, forgive them, not give them the job to do again, no problem. Get another contractor who can build your house for you. Monitor it yourself, no problem. But not let them disturb you from saying, please. I'm appealing to you all. Please, don't forget them. I beg you, forgive them. I beg. I'm appealing. You know, I spoke some days ago and I was saying, Kinikon, you need to do it. If you don't do it, shame on you. I beg. I understand now that yes, a lot of families have done worse. If some people tell you their story, that's the way they talk that thing. Maybe somebody the other ones already say like the shaggy fine background. But appealing, I'm appealing now, please, because of Collins, forgive them. Just like Jesus said, forgive them, Father, for they know not what they have done. Somebody assaulted me on live video. I'm supposed to charge person to court. The case is in state CID, but I forgave the person wholeheartedly, temporarily, believing that the person will come with their sense of belonging. So please, I'm appealing, I beg. Just forgive them. I know it's not easy. Some of you out there, they all they see for Facebook, they do fine girl, they eat with white man. They don't know some of them are farmers. Collins Emudia get that brain. So they come up for us early in the morning, they'll go farm where they don't do for Benin, farm where they don't do for Nigeria. You go abroad, now farm you come meet. Many days we sponsor a carry that time, tell and say I get hairdressing salon one day. When they reach there, another thing they can't see. They don't use their eyes, see their ear. So no be you, the after those suffer finish. They have done undoable things, trying to standard their life and their family. We trust they not give to their family. The family can't betray that trust. How do you expect that kind of person to forgive quickly? Collins Emudia is saying, please, forgive them, please. I'm appealing. It is better for you to save your money. Yeah? If you don't have anybody you trust, save your money. When you want to have a little vacation, just travel, come Nigeria, buy land. If you don't know where to buy land, meet me, Collins We'll help you find land, you will buy. You're by yourself, you go sign your C of O, we'll process some everything. You will go back. Money rich on any holiday, you still come, you can't do 2 flats. You don't live like that. God bless you, but please forgive them. I came out, I told myself that at the end of my live video today, I'm going to so appeal passionately to all of you in diaspora. In Lagos, some of them in Lagos have vowed never to enter Benin again. They don't want to use their 2 IC their pound their man. Because work took them too busy. Now they didn't have the time to come to Benin for it. But a lot of you slept in the bush, some slept on the road. If some ladies where they call themselves different title, if they tell you what they see as a girl when they enter Europe the first time, because if you beg them €1, they look you like shit. But those same people, out of their good mind, they forget, see where we suffer come. Come just do. God bless you. If you get family where you offend you, will make you say over your dead body, you don't ever give them. I beg, give them. The money with the thief for your hand now, where now? Which duplex is on build? I beg, no. I beg. Muna just forgive them, but not give them again, so that we don't come back. See, once beaten, twice shy. As it don't be like that, you don't learn your sense. God bless you. Not everybody parents be like that too. Some parents are very good. If you just give your mom money, say, don't tell me. You go just buy the land, go build them, go do and well for you. You don't mean say not chop small thing, but you do your work. That one they make you happy, yes. But please, I'm appealing. I don't know who God said I should tell this word. Please forgive your mother, forgive your father, forgive your brother. But use your brain. I beg, use your brain. If you don't forgive, use your brain. Just call them every month. Alpha, once I go buy a bag of fries for house. If you don't see the not be hold money for hand, look for somebody who will go buy 1 bag of fries. Send your number to them. Say go to some place, go carry 1 bag of fries every month. If you don't say you give them money, they not use them. Then just by yourself say so person I won't pay money for 1 bag of fries. My brother won't carry them. When I reach they make and go give you they eat. It's okay. Collins Imudia understands, so I'm appealing on their behalf. I don't know your brothers, I don't know your sisters, I don't know anybody. I came out some days ago and I told you, please be responsible. Today I understand that most of you are running away from that responsibility because of what they did to you in the past. Collins Imudia is saying, please, I beg you, please share this video. If the person that this message is meant for is not watching me now, he will watch me later. Please share this video. It's a passionate appeal I'm making. Please forgive them, because the property, you forgive them, you know, forgive them. If you sleep one day, you don't wake up, activity don't go. I beg, just forgive them, I beg. Then be looking out for them monthly, small, to the best of your ability. Don't let anybody come with a force you put, say no, just to the best of your ability, I beg. God bless you. I appreciate you. It's been a nice time with you, and I just wanted to make that passionate appeal, so that we end that on that note. And then tomorrow we'll be out again together. So we'll do things together. Don't mind us, we've been too busy since morning. We've not had time. We would have had time, but it's cool. Sandra is not sleeping. Who says Sandra is sleeping? See her there now. How messy love. Your eye too sharp. Sandra, nobody's sleeping. You're not even my crew member. The Fionto eater is not here, so he will be here perhaps tomorrow. You know, so give and take. It's a good night for my uncle, my crew. Saying good night to you. Saying thank you, Mama Yemela, for the money you shared for my crew. God bless you. God bless you, man. Yes, man.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
So Mama Yemela, thank you for the money you sent to my crew to share. God bless you, man. In Amsterdam, Mama Yemela 1. Thank you. I appreciate you so very much. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. Please ponder upon what I said just now. Please forgive them. Don't forget it. God bless you. We'll be together live again tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Collins Imudia Foundation International. Follow us on Instagram, Collins Imudia Foundation. God bless you. And then we'll see you again tomorrow. God bless you. Stay safe and stay around.
If you know, say you dey like wetin Collins Imudia Foundation they do for Benin City there for Edo State, and you like to support them, if phone number did this video where you watch, so now phone number 9 did there so. And if you also like to donate, account number still dey here. Show support in any which way where you know say you go fit give am support. And this video make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.